Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is Ether channel. So we have seen Ether channel in layer 2 previous video. So this is in layer 3 switch. So we are going to see only the configuration of Ether channel on layer 3 switch. So we have taken 4 devices, 2 multi-layer switch and 2 N system connecting the layer switch. So you can see that there are two interfaces FA01 and FA0/2 connecting layer 3 switches as a bundle. So we are going to configure Ether channel on this. So let's assign IP address on the systems. N systems we have given. So on the left side we have 10 network with 10.1.1.1, 3.1.1.1 on the right side system. So go to the Ethernet switch, I mean the layer 3 switch, and then configure mode and then interface range FA0/1 to 2. So we want to configure, open these two ports for the Ether channel configuration, and then you can configure the channel group. You can configure channel group 1 mode desirable, so which is same as a layer 2 switch which we configured in an earlier video. So and then you can create a port channel interface for this Ether channel. So on the global configuration mode, interface port channel 1, and then you can assign IP address for this port channel, which is 192.168.10.1/24 subnet with no shut. So now we have configured them. So show Ether channel summary will provide you the details. You can see the port channel has been configured as port channel 1 with the member links FA0/1 and 0/2. So you can see the status of port channel as well. So right now it's down because we have configured on the other switches as well. So I have done the configuration on the other switch already. So you can see the same status. You have a member links with the port channel 1 on the other end switch, layer 3 switch. So now you can see the protocol which is running between this FA0 interfaces as PAGP, which is Cisco proprietary port aggregation protocol. So now you can see the number of ports, everything in the show Ether channel output. So you can also test pinging the interface, port channel interface 192.168.10.1 and 10.2 on other side. So you can ping them. So now go to the interface FA0/3 on both the switches and configure the gateways for both end systems respectively. So one is 10.1.1.100 and the other end is 20.1.1.100. So before you configure this IP address, ensure you need to make them as a layer 3 interface. Once you configured, you can test by pinging them. So you are able to ping the gateway from the PCs which we have configured. So now go to the switch again and then check the routing table, show IP route. So it will not be existing. So we have to give the we have to enable the route by go to global config mode, and then you can configure the route for the end-to-end reachability on these two switches. Just type IP route and then 20.1.1.1 with the subnet mask /24 with the gateway interface as 192.168.10.1 for the left hand layer 3 switch. Similarly, go to the right hand layer 2 switch and then go to global config mode and then type the route, that is IP route 10.1.1.1 with the subnet mask /24 with the gateway interface 192.168.10.1. So you will be able to configure the IP route. So don't forget to enable IP routing so that the show IP route output will be able to show the routes existing. So once we have configured them, so you can see now the show route is existing. Like if you put show route table, you will be able to see the routes. End-to-end reachability is also there. You can see ping 20.1.1.1 is pinging from PC1. Similarly, go to PC2, check the gateway. So gateway is pingable, and now ping the other end 10.1.1.1, it's reachable. So now end-to-end reachability is there via this Ether channel that we have configured between the layer 3 switches, so with the two member links. So you can see they are all connected up and running. And then now go to the interface FA0/1, which is one of the member link of the port channel we configured, and then just shut down. So we are going to shut down one of the member links. So you can see it has been disabled now. So the port channel is still up. So you can see the ping traffic will pass through again. without any intervention, because there is another member link is still active, though one of the link has gone down. So this is the basic purpose of the port channel. So it gives a link redundancy across the layer 2 switch or a layer 3 switch in this video. So I hope this video is useful to you and you have learned how to configure a Ether channel on layer 3 switch. See you in another episode of BNB.